Welcome to the Enwider platform, showing what will soon be your results. This video shows you what to expect when you use our platform to access your results. When you log in, you will first see the map. At a glance, you will see the location of your site or sites. These will show up as green, yellow, or red flags on the map. The green flag shows that working conditions on your site are looking good. The yellow flag shows a mixed picture. Some issues may need your attention, but they are not as urgent as when there is a red flag. A red flag means that your workers have signaled that some working conditions urgently need to be improved. Our platform always aims to alert you of a tricky situation before it becomes worse, so a red flag can signal an opportunity to quickly improve conditions on your site, so you can manage any risk to your business. So how do you get beyond the overall results and into the detail? Simply click on the flag or flags for the site or sites you want to look at. You will see the site rating appear in the middle of the flag. This is a score out of 10. The higher the score, the better the working conditions on the site, according to your workers. Next to the score, there is a summary box. Here, you can easily see which priorities came through in the latest results, the progress, where the working conditions have improved overall, the results, and further information on the participants. Here, the priorities and progress are the most important. The number next to priorities shows how many issues need your attention. The direction of the arrow next to progress shows if your site has improved its performance since the last time workers were called. You can move your mouse over the little icon that looks like an eye to the right of priorities. Here, you see which priorities workers identified. Next, you can move your mouse over the eye beside progress. Here, you can see how much a site has improved since previous call cycles. The first call cycle shows no arrow, as there was nothing to improve on. If you want more detail on your site, click on any of the eye icons in the summary box. This takes you to a screen which shows a series of tabs. These are called Priorities, Progress, Results by Theme, Participants, and Detailed Results. If in any of these more detailed tabs you want more information, you can read the What to Look For box on the left of your screen. Your detailed results are a good place to start. Here, you can see your highest greens, where your site is doing well. When you go to your Priorities tab, look for the longest red bar. This is your first priority according to your workers. However, all issues here are important because more than 50% of workers say this issue needs improvement. Under the Progress tab, you see how working conditions in general have changed from one call cycle to the next. Here, you can see whether a change you made has had the overall positive impact you had hoped for. In the progress chart, you are always trying to shrink your reds and grow your greens. Sometimes you see the yellow increasing. When this happens, check to see if your reds have decreased too. If so, your reds have been replaced by yellows. In other words, there has been an improvement. With results by theme, look for your longest green bars. This is where working conditions are better. And your longest red bar, this is your priority area. Your Detailed Results tab will always give you more detail on the questions that fall within the theme or area showing the longest red bar. Finally, the Participants tab offers you more information about the group of workers that answered the call, such as their gender, their age, and the proportion of seasonal versus permanent workers. When you are done with looking at the details for a particular site, you can go back to the map by clicking once on Back to Map in your menu bar at the top on the left. That was your walk around your results dashboard on the Enwider platform. Regardless of what your results show, we want to congratulate you already. Why? Because you are about to receive your first results. This shows that you are interested in hearing anonymously from your workers. And it shows that as a listening employer, you understand that listening to workers and to what they have to say about their working conditions affects productivity and so also affects your ability to deliver to your customers.